calling all gearheads and future explorers. Welcome back to Autonet ID. Today, we're getting up close and personal with a truck that redefines the meaning of unstoppable. It's the 2025 Toyota Tundra, reborn as the Black Ursa, a futuristic beast ready to dominate any landscape. Let's start with that imposing front fascia. The iconic Toyota grille gets a modern makeover with a black honeycomb mesh that seems to devour light. A glowing red Toyota emblem sits proudly in the center, like an eye of a predator. Razor-sharp LED headlights with integrated laser beams pierce through the night, ensuring maximum visibility in any environment. Sculpted hood with integrated heat extractors hints at the monstrous power lurking beneath the sleek, black metallic exterior. The Black Ursa's silhouette is a perfect blend of raw power and futuristic functionality. The wide fenders with exposed black lug nuts and aggressive tire treads scream off-road capability. Integrated air vents on the fenders add a touch of aerodynamic efficiency. Retractable running boards with glowing red Toyota logos deploy silently, adding a touch of futuristic convenience. Metallic paint shimmers with a dark brilliance, accented by a subtle red racing stripe that runs along the body, adding a sporty touch reminiscent of a Predator's war paint. The back of the Black Ursa is as impressive as the front. Futuristic LED taillights, shaped like stylized bear claws, illuminate with a menacing red glow. Integrated spoiler adds a touch of aerodynamic downforce for improved handling at high speeds. Bed features a hidden, electronically deployable loading ramp and a fully integrated toolbox with easy access from the side of the bed. Functionality never looked so ferocious. This ain't your average workhorse, folks. The Black Ursa boasts a next-generation hybrid powertrain that delivers earth-shattering power and incredible fuel efficiency. All-wheel drive with various selectable driving modes ensures it can dominate any terrain, from a dusty wasteland to a treacherous mountain pass. Plus, with advanced driver assistance features and a holographic heads-up display, the Black Ursa keeps you safe and informed on any adventure. The 2025 Toyota Tundra, the Black Ursa, is a true testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation and capability.